Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create normal maps in Blender. In order to generate a normal map, you will need to use an application called Materialize. If you wish to download this app, please follow the steps demonstrated in the video. The website link will be provided in the description. After downloading the application, extract it to start using it. When you open the application, it should look like this. If you want to make a normal map, first, we have to open the image in the diffuse map by pressing the letter O. We can't make a normal map first, we have to make a height map. I prefer to choose from the presets. Detail or default look better for maps. After making your changes, press Set as Height Map. Now create a normal map and change its settings as you like. After making your changes, press Set as Normal Map. Now if we press Show Full Material, you can see how the final material will look. Now if you want to save all the images, then press Save Project. And yes, don't forget to make a new folder for your images. Press Ctrl-Shift-T if you have enabled Node Wrangler. If not, then enable it, and select all the images that you have exported before. Now you can change the settings of material however you like. Now if you want to make a normal map of another image, then press Clear and open the desired image. You can make a normal map of your image and do however you like, as I have shown the procedure before. If you want to open the project again, then press Load Project and open the project that you have saved. If you want to make just a normal map, then there is a website for it. I will give you the link in the description. Thank you for watching. That's it for today. Tutorial on how to make a cup in Blender. Then click on the right video, or if you want to watch a tutorial on how to make nut and bolt in Blender, then click on the left one.